Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your overwhelming support to my channel. Today we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis for US dollar JPY. So the analysis we are going to be doing is actually weekly time frame, and then we'll move to a lower time frame, that is a daily time frame. Then we'll do the hourly time frame technical analysis. So I am on weekly time frame now. When you see the weekly time frame, the overall trend is on the upside. It has gone up, retraced, then gone up, then retraced, then gone up. Approximately 50% it has retraced. Let me draw. So this is acting as a strong resistance now. On the lower side, when we see it, the lowest it has traveled or it has tested was up to here. This is going to be 100. That is the lowest it has gone. And overall, now it is on a consolidation phase. You can see it has gone up, then retraced, then gone up, it again retraced, then gone up. So when you see it overall also within this weekly time frame, we can see that it has formed a very nice, let me draw a resistance here. It has formed a very nice channel pattern. It was traveling within a channel pattern in weekly time frame. Up, low, up, low, up, and it has given a breakout here. This is what we understand from the weekly time frame. So, and when we mark the support and resistance points, this is the resistance here, and next is over here. Let me change the colors. We have a resistance here at 118. Next resistance is 113. Next lower resistance is going to be at this point 111.934. that is acting as a present resistance. When we see the support here, the support is going to be over here, that is 108. Next support is going to be 105. This is going to be the next support. When we see overall in weekly time frame, it was traveling on a channel pattern and the trend was down. It has given a breakout at this point, and we are seeing a little bit of trend reversal on a weekly time frame. So I'm on a daily time frame now. We know that this is a dynamic support now because in weekly time frame, the candlesticks, the chart has traveled in a channel pattern. This is going to be acting as a dynamic support for the daily time frame. In daily time frame also, I can notice that it has formed a very nice channel pattern. Let me change the color for the channel pattern. So in daily time frame also, we can see that price has given a breakout and gone up, then retraced, then gone up, then retraced, then gone up, then retraced, again gone up, but it couldn't break this resistance over here. This resistance is from the weekly time frame, and it is finding difficult to break this resistance here, but it is traveling within a channel pattern. It tested at this resistance and started retracing. Let us do the technical analysis in hourly time frame. So I am on an hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame, we can notice that it has given a very nice uptrend. Then the uptrend got breakout here. Then the downtrend has started. But in overall, when we see it in a higher time frame, in daily time frame, it is traveling within a channel pattern. Just it tried to break this resistance, which is in weekly time frame. It is a very strong resistance here. Try to break it, but it couldn't break it. So the retracement is happening presently. So in hourly time frame, we know that it is on a downtrend. It has given it tried to break this resistance, then downtrend started. Testing the level 0.38. Next level is going to be 0.618. The next level is going to be 0.786. So these are the levels on the downside. And overall, when we see it in daily time frame, it is on a channel pattern. So as long as this level holds, it doesn't break this level, we can see a trend reversal happening. So if the trend reversal happens, this is going to be the next target. So the target on the upside is going to be 112.072. Next target is going to be 112.754, and next target is going to be 113.263. When we see it from the hourly time frame view, it is on a downtrend. As long as this support line, dynamic support line, holds 109.164, we can see a trend reversal to happen from this dynamic support line, because in a higher time frame it is traveling on a channel pattern. So if this one breaks, we can see a trend reversal, which means breakout from the channel pattern on from the daily time frame, and retest on the dynamic support in the weekly time frame. This is the dynamic support in the weekly time frame. So if it bridges this level also, we can see a downtrend to start. So presently it is on a downtrend, but we're expecting a stop at 109 and trend reversal to happen. That is what my expectation is. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends.